Repairing surface burns. Furniture, wood panels, tabletops, or toys in your home, shop, or garage may accidentally burn due to everyday use. If a piece of wood turns to ash, it is beyond repair. But minor burn marks on wood can be removed quite easily. Let's see the method of repairing the damage done to the wood. Wherever there is damage on the wood, it is removed with the help of a stone or steel object. After cleaning it completely, chemical powder is applied inside it, and then another chemical is applied on it, and its strength is leveled completely. Then it has to be primed. Then color work is done on it. In a very easy way, it becomes like new and does not even stain. And if it is burnt, it is not visible anywhere.
Impressive design, innovative ideas. Best wooden furniture, impressive work and tips and tricks, innovative ideas.
If you are new to our page, then visit our page. Watch the video and like, follow and share our page. If you like the video, then share it. Give your opinion in the comment. How did you like this video?
Thank you for watching, and more videos visit my page and like, share and comment. Thank you.